I love that we're paying close attention to these threads of analysis. Without them, we would have not seen AMC's potential failure of support today. Let's go over the signs of price manipulation, the technicals, and everything in between to gain an edge over the coming sessions. Welcome back to the channel on this Hump Day Wednesday. This is ARCa, and let's go to the movies. Let's kill 'em, team. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Let's go ahead and open up the charts here on the 30-minute time frame, and we're going to observe here first the manipulation signals using our signature indicator and algorithm. Of course, it is available to you. You can purchase this, so please go ahead and get in touch with us at arqindicators@gmail.com, and I'm going to go ahead and just express to you here what's going on, right? So this is the email just so you can go ahead and get in touch with us if you are curious over how this indicator works, right? The strategy here. So the script is telling us that we had, a blatant shot of manipulation right here at the closure today with this X marking the spot. I made sure to kind of separate it from all of the other different signals so that you can observe the criteria of seven different factors, including wavelength, in meet all at one shot within 30 minutes, which is absolutely massive. Price action was sitting at about $4.50 before it capitulated down to $4.38 with one strike of manipulation. So let's go ahead and bring down the time frames here. Let's get down into a more granular level to see if we can observe any other strikes. Look for the X's down here, right? We're looking for the yellow X. All right, nothing there on the 10-minute. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Nothing on the 5-minute time frame. Let's go deeper, right? We're gonna be able to dive down here. Look at that. This is your 4-minute time frame, and guys, this is absolutely at market open today. The first thing that happened here, price action opening up right around the areas of about 479, capitulating all the way down to about $4.44 with an initial strike of manipulation right at market open. We've seen this happen a few times already, even with GME. Let's go ahead and dive in a little deeper. This is the 3-minute time frame. No manipulation just yet there. This is the buy minute, and check it out. The buy minute here marking off the bottom side of price action here. They're like saying, okay, well, you know what? It's enough right here. Let's kind of just relieve it so then we could re-short it again, right? So incredible bounce of price action because the manipulation here can be used upside and downside. Let's go to the 1-minute time frame. And the 1-minute time frame, there is that strike of manipulation right about here, right? Similar to the buy minute, kind of relieving or making sure that it continues all the way down to its price target. And I will say that it kind of marked a pretty intense low for the day. Price action here was bouncing off of that low the entire time. So this was a very significant signal there, marking off an inflection point for the rest of the day. As soon as we broke that inflection point, of course, we started kind of using it as a resistance and a local support afterward. Right. So let's go ahead a little deeper. 30-second time frame here. Let's see what we have. Well, check it out, right? 2 more strikes of manipulation down here, and it's just amazing how they were able to just maintain price at a standstill here the entire time after these 2 strikes on a 30-second interval. Now the 15-second interval here. Let's take a look to see if we have anything in price. Well, nothing. Yeah, nothing there. It was just a bunch of manipulation all day yesterday, starting from the open, just like today. Right, very, very interesting times here. Let's go ahead and move on to the next chart and see what we have in line. So what I meant in the beginning of the, in the introduction, you would have already seen the signals, and I'm very happy that we're paying attention to these threads of analysis, is because of this. We noted here a few days ago, even maybe a week ago, that we were on a bearish channel, right? This channel did have a possibility to break to the upside here. We got that little peekaboo getting everybody faked out. And this was signaling a potential break and topside targets located up here. We also stated that this is a bearish channel, so we would be able to play it to the downside as well. The target to observe here, team, I'm not trying to tell you this just to kind of scare anybody, not at all like that. All you do is take a trend line from the total width of the channel, right? Bottom side to bottom side. You apply it to the area that you would think that we're going to break down from. In this case, we broke down here. So now the target gets adjusted to a slightly higher $4.06 zone, right? So this is what it's telling you right now. There is a confluent bottom side of the price action right near that $4.06, by the way. All right, so yes, this is typically how you trade the formation or an ascending formation, just like this one here, a channel. So if we are to accept that, what are some of the validators? Well, first of all, here we kind of touched down to the lows of about $4.43, and in the post market, getting that strike of manipulation, price action dropped down to a low of around 437, 438, and now it's using this previous low as a resistance, right? So as soon as we can validate this resistance, there may be a continuation to the downside. A catalyst can save this. Some type of bullish something can also pressure the price action towards the upside and save it from a continuation to the downside. There could be a slight, there could be a shortage here, right? Meaning that it won't reach all the way down, but this is just, I'm giving you some of the probabilities that are more hopium than anything else, right? So there is a support zone located right about here between the areas of about 430 and 437. We're very close to one there, and there is one more zone for us to observe right within this range of these candles right here, right? So let's go ahead and note that down just so that we can observe what the bounce probabilities could be. There is a potential that price action may reject this major inflection zone there, but I will say if we start getting major closures down here, daily closures beneath this area 418, that is your local inflection point, and that will lead price action down to a lower level than 407. That would actually introduce the probabilities of reaching down to a 383 to about 375. Gotta be very careful over what's happening right now within the price action, okay, team? So let's see if we have anything else to kind of display here, because you know, just yeah, I'm trying to give you guys the honest truths out here, right? And if we can't do that, if we can't be transparent with each other and clear about what could be happening here, then what the hell are we doing here together, right, team? So, let's see this. Oh, yikes, guys. Okay, so we have 1 day and 19 hours to close this weekly candle. I know that we're getting 2 wicks to the top side here, right? This could also be considered a dark cloud candle formation, which would introduce some negative price action here too. Okay, so got to be careful. There are a few signs that there are a few bearish signs here, right? So, and we noticed also kind of a detachment from GME today on the AMC asset. So I want to make sure that you guys are very safe. And if you are curious, still, guys, I'm going to go ahead and present this to you always, right? Please remember, I have consolidated my 19-week trading program down to a 5-week beginner's crash course for trading and charting. Reach out to me at ArcMastersCourse@gmail.com. And also, please remember to join the ARCa Bulls trading team. I'm going to go ahead and add a link right up here so that you can join that team and come by, right? We're observing AMC, GME, and other assets throughout the day, and we're making sure to capitalize on other opportunities while we wait for our long holds to kind of take play, right? So please remember, be very careful in the markets. I need you to really practice risk management here, right? Do not bet what you're not willing to lose, and you know the rest of the story. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for the video here today. If you have any questions or concerns, you know where to reach me, right? Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, ever, never, never, never. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I'll catch you at the bell mañana. Adios, team. Oh, yeah.